Hello Laker Nation, it's Gregor here from Greg's Court, and here we have best moments, best reactions of LA Lakers versus LA Clippers game. Second game in 2 days between those two teams and a second win for the LA Lakers. Also another huge game from Luka Doncic, who scored 29 points and gained 9 assists. On the other hand, Kawhi Leonard was spectacular but not good enough for the Lakers squad. Take a look at some best moments pre-game, mid-game and after game. And of course, if you're new here, make sure to like this video, comment down below what you think, and of course, subscribe for more Luka Doncic highlights.
Ivica Zubac, his third personal, fourth team foul.
Points. That's it so far. Could be a lot more than that. So Lakers very fortunate. Luka! His name is Luka!
He's having a lot of to say to the Clipper bench.
You got this.
By the way, LeBron's pursuit of 50,000.
Holy fuck! The Lediddy Lakers and diabetic Doncic just cock-slapped the Clippers. Another day and another annual thank you, Nico Harrison, for your dumbass, brainless GM skill.
As we
sit right here tonight and say goodnight. The Lakers are in second place in the Western Conference with 23 games remaining.
Feels good. Let's be rolling. Let's keep it going. You know what I mean?
Are you enjoying playing in this building? The fans certainly seem to be appreciating the effort.
Hell yeah. It's nice.
Luka's so cold. Luka hit hard with the pulled up harder than anyone. Look at it go in, man. Hey, man, Luka demon, man. This man crazy.
I want to make the playoffs. I don't want to be in the play-in. That's all until that is secured, the seeding thought won't cross my mind. Yep. We just play. We play hard. We compete. Tonight wasn't perfect with some of the execution stuff, but we more than made up for it with our effort at times.
As a teammate or something like that, and you had kind of mentioned the importance of these Luka blackouts in Denver. I think he made 2 threes and was like instantly yelling at the Clipper bench. Dunn got a little bit of it later. Seemed like everybody pretty much in the court got some of that energy from him. Spiritually, what do you think that did for your team tonight, his sort of fire and intensity?
Yeah, I think the way he started the game got us going on that end. And then it just seemed like throughout the game, when we needed a bucket, when we needed him to draw a second, third defender at times, he was able to make the right play, minus the 6 turnovers. But he played fantastic tonight. And again, it was that verve and that spirit of competition, but also just something that is... Maybe it's an inner demon, I don't know, but it comes out, and it's fantastic for us when it does.
Yeah, it's been great. Like I said, the atmosphere is unbelievable, and we're just gonna want to give the people what they want, and that's winning the games. And that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, I think so. I didn't believe it before, but they say if somebody's out a long time, then they play against the Lakers. I don't know. I didn't believe it that long time, but obviously it's the Lakers, so I think that's normal.
This team is now second in the West. What does that mean to you at this point in the season?
I didn't even know. That's a great position to be in, honestly.
You're a little bit ahead of Denver.
Okay, yeah. I didn't know. I don't pay attention that much to standings, but go game by game. That's a hell of an accomplishment right now.
I think he's kind of brought to the Clippers since he's gotten here.
Yeah, first of all, he's an amazing guy just to be around. And second of all, his defense, his ability to jump, his ability to even shoot. We were together. We were great, I think. So obviously, one guy I miss. We'll get some dinner now. Then we're in LA.
Jordan mentioned that you've been battling the Clippers, obviously, from the bubble. Ty Lue has thrown a lot of different coverages at you over the years. How have you seen that matchup evolve with the Clippers over the years since your rookie year?
Yeah, there's always going to be. I remember last game there was only one college in me. But, it's like I always say, it's like playing the chess a little bit. You got to read the defense and take what the defense gives you.
Is it a little more with this team, given that you guys have such a history of playoff battles and regular season battles?
Maybe, obviously, we went back and forth a lot with the Clippers, and that's what I like, For me, that's fun, and that's how I get going, especially in the basketball court.